How to recover a restricted Meta Business Suite account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can recover a restricted Meta Business Suite account. Now, if your account has been restricted, then ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. The first step is to open your web browser and then in the search box, type out Meta Business Support Home. Once you type that out and you are brought to this page, ensure you locate the one which says Meta Business Help Center. That is the one you should click on. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to the home page. So on this page, you can see the Meta Business Help Center. You can see a search box where you can ask related questions. The next thing for you to do is to scroll down and check out your questions here. If you can't see any, just go ahead and click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, you'll be taken to the business support home for your account. So on this page, you would see your account overview. For me, this is being displayed because my account is not restricted. But for you, you would see the restricted accounts option. Just go ahead and select it and then choose the restricted account you want to troubleshoot. After choosing it, a list of options will be displayed. Depending on the type of restriction that your account had, you might have to confirm your identity, you might have to complete your verification, secure your account, or request a review. And then by the time you click on it, each of these restriction has its own steps. Alright, so there is no specific steps on how you can resolve it. So if your own restriction is for you to confirm your identity, the steps needed to that will be different from those needed to carry out a complete verification. So just select the one that's specific to you. After selecting it, you'll be redirected to another page. Follow your screen instructions, and then once you do so, your account will be unrestricted, just like that. So the major thing you have to do is to ensure that you visit Meta Business Support Home, and then from there click on Get Started and you'll be directed on what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.